You can't lose weight and drink alcohol, is what I would say if I was an absolute fuckwit, of which there appears to be plenty of in the fitness industry. So can you actually drink alcohol and still lose weight? Let's go through it. Alcohol versus fat loss. Now the first thing that we need to know is your body is like a hybrid car and it has two fuel sources, electric and petrol. Now, much like a hybrid car, your body has got two main fuel sources. However, instead of electricity and petrol, it has got fats and carbs. Now, it's important to know that your body is constantly burning fuel and it's fluctuating between these two fuel sources. However, when you consume alcohol, your body will use this as a fuel source and it will prioritize burning this because it is toxic. So your body is like, oh, we've got this toxic liquid in our body, I need to remove this as soon as possible. And this is the part where most fuckwits get it wrong. Because your body prioritizes burning the alcohol, it reduces the amount of fats and carbs that your body burns for fuel. However, as mentioned, your body is constantly burning energy. Say, for example, your body needs to burn 2,500 calories in a day. However, you only consume 2,000 calories in a day, including the calories that come from alcohol. You have got a deficit of 500 calories. So your body needs to find somewhere to draw those 500 calories from. Where does it draw those 500 calories from? It draws it from the fats that your body is storing. So as long as you're in a calorie deficit, including the calories consumed from your alcohol, your body will still burn through its stored fat. Burning fat for fuel and burning through body fat are two completely separate things. And that is where a lot of these fucktards get it wrong online, because they see your body stops burning fat for fuel and they think, oh, that means you cannot burn body fat as long as you've got alcohol in your system, which is completely incorrect. However, there are some indirect effects from drinking alcohol, obviously in large quantities if you're doing it quite often. As you probably know, you have a lack of energy, you feel hungover, you get worse sleep, you might be prone to eat more and you'll move less. So indirectly, you're burning less calories and you might be consuming more calories after drinking alcohol. So that long-term may stunt your weight loss, but it's not because you've got alcohol in your system, it's because you're no longer in a calorie deficit as a result of what alcohol does to your mind and your hormones. So yes, alcohol does temporarily suppress the fat burning for fuel, but it does not stop fat loss.